Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this is how Android is safety. So it's all about the software installation. The Android by default is prevent installation from other sources. uh, like you cannot directly install software from sources that not from Play Store. So Play Store is officially app that you can browse for your favorite app and you can directly install from it. So if you go to the settings and you can try to search installation, just type install. Here you can scroll down and you can tap unknown source installation. So if you're like a beginner, not developer, not in an advanced user, you can leave it be. Like unknown source installation, just turn off this option, because this option prevent application automatically install from other sources that not from Play Store. For example, if you turn off Chrome, the apps from external source are not verified by my Android Oppo phone and may contain security risks. Allow apps from the source to be installed. If you feel the apps or the source is trusted, you can tap allow, but if not, just leave it be, just cancel it. And you can do it from Google Drive. You can turn off File Manager, Files by Google, to prevent like a phishing, like a malware or adware that try to hack your Android phone. And of course, you can try to tap on Play Store and tap on your profile, and you can scroll down and try to tap Play Protect. Here you can scan your app. Play Protect will scan if there is a malware or any harmful application that may be accidentally installed on your devices. So no harmful apps found because I turned off the unknown source installation. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.